How to check recently watched reels on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. If you recently watched a reel and wanted to go back and watch it again, but you could not find the video anywhere, then let's move forward with the video. The tricks are not foolproof, but definitely are the best option since Instagram does not have the feature of showing your watch history. So let's go ahead and open the Instagram application. Tap on Reels at the bottom of your screen. Now scroll through the Reels and by any chance while watching Reels, you switched between the apps and have not quit the Instagram app, then if you go back to Instagram and scroll past the Reels, you will find that particular Reel. However, if you had quit the Instagram application with no interactions at all on that particular reel, then the chances of getting that reel back is very low. Nevertheless, if you have made an interaction on any of the reel, you can always go back and access to that particular reel. For instance, if I like this reel here, I will tap on the like button and with this the interaction is made. So I can go ahead and search for that particular reel whenever I want. To search, go to your profile and tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. You will see the option for your activity. Tap on that and now under interactions, you can see the option for likes. Tap on that. Now here you can see I can easily access to the reel I just liked and find it here anytime. So in order to find a recently watched reel in Instagram, it is very important to make any sort of interactions for future reference. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.